to my channel. Today's video is featuring VIVICA A Fox Spectrum in the color Cappuccino. She has a hand-tied invisible center part and she does come in Swiss lace, so the lace is darker. She has two combs in the front, one in the back, and adjustable straps as well. So today I'm just going to quickly install her, then come back with my final thoughts on this unit. This unit is 28 inches long and heat safe up to 400 degrees. You will kind of notice that she is thin. I do have a cap on and I can still see my pink hair poking out from the back, so I did try to cover that up. So here's the final look of this unit. The lace honestly surprised me. I feel like it blended in very well. I don't remember getting any tangling, but she does shed a bit, and she's also a medium in cap size. I do review a lot of older units. I know I'm always late to the party, but I just love finding wigs that have a cool color combination in them. That's more of my style. So yes, this is an older unit, and yeah, she been out for a while now. Okay, so she does come in other colors such as Aurora, Galaxy, and Universe. The texture on her is like a soft yaki feeling. She honestly feels really nice, and I also wanted to show you guys my lashes that I did. Hopefully I can make a video on them, but I'll put the link in the description. That's all for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye!